Hi there, Rhonda here with Rhonda's 2 Cents Worth. Welcome to the channel. It has been raining like crazy today, and I thought I'd walk down to the creek and see how high the water's gotten. And just to give you a little indication, look at all the water coming through the culvert, going through the ravine here. We're going to take a little walk. It has been crazy raining, like non-stop. This is the first little break that we've had pretty much all day. So we're gonna take a little walk down to Caney Creek, and you can see it. If you look real close, you can see it's very high. I can see the water kind of coming out of the banks. And you can see water on the property here. And I was reading something, they said that because of the snow, there's not a whole lot of vegetation under, so that's why they issued some flood warnings. It's actually warnings, not watches. And that's the difference. So you got all this water coming from that way. It's all draining down. It is absolutely crazy. And the ravine follows the property here and eventually drains into Caney Creek. And the water that comes through the ravine is so clear. It is very clear. I mean, look at this. Got that tree there that I've got to take care of because it's kind of blocking the water there. Guess I got some other blocking of the water because you got to see it's coming that way. Crazy, insane. You can hear the creek. It's loud, it's flowing fast. I don't know about you, but I am ready for winter to be over and all this nastiness and have some green. Listen to the creek. Wow. This right here is where the ravine drains, and it's just backing up. There's nowhere for it to go. Look. Okay. I'm gonna come down here where you can actually see it. Wow. Wow. I mean, it is all the way across. And this right here is a pretty steep incline into the creek. It is moving. Can come around this way without falling in. Kind of eerie with that fog right over. And there's a lot of stuff flowing through. Craziness, huh? Caney Creek, January 30th, 2025. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.